All right, Phil, let's talk about the Florida housing market, man. You have been in the news, Florida that is, since the pandemic. You have, I believe, the most domestic migration of any other state in the country. So let me ask you, man, is it because of the political views?
I think it has a lot to do with it. I think, and also no state tax. I mean, you have corporations coming here. Political views for sure. I think you have a lot of people not expressing themselves verbally, but look at their actions, right?
So what does that mean for, let's just say, Floridians, people that grew up in Florida, were born and raised in Florida? I mean, what do they think about all of the domestic migration? Are they happy seeing people come in the droves from California? Are they happy about seeing people coming from New York and flooding their state?
Yeah, I don't know if it's as much as being happy, but they're being priced out. And what's happening is there's such an influx. Now,